In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel formulas with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Creating formulas in Excel can sometimes feel a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with the intricacies of the software. But with the help of ChatGPT, you'll find that it can be a lot simpler than you think. First, the initial step is to head over to the ChatGPT website. Open your favorite web browser and type in chatgpt.com. Once there, you should see a welcoming interface ready for you to interact with. If you have an account, log in. If you don't, you might want to sign up. Now that you're on the ChatGPT homepage, it's time for the fun part. Think about the specific formula you need for your Excel spreadsheet. For instance, do you need to sum a range of numbers, find the average, or maybe even create a conditional formula? Whatever it is, you'll want to craft a clear and concise prompt. For example, you could type, "Can you help me create a formula to calculate the total sales from a list of sales figures in column A?" This specific request will guide ChatGPT to better understand what you need. Remember, the clearer your question, the better the response you'll get. Once you've typed your prompt, it's time to hit that send button. You'll find this usually at the bottom of the input box. Go ahead and click it. The magic happens next. ChatGPT will think for a moment and then provide you with a range of Excel formulas based on your request. It may also give you explanations on how those formulas work, so you'll not only receive the formula, but also understand it better. Now, here comes the easiest part. When you see the formula you want, simply copy it. You can do this by highlighting the formula, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Or you can use the shortcut keys on your keyboard. Just press Ctrl-C if you're on a PC or Command-C if you're on a Mac. Next, open your Excel program. Navigate to the cell where you want to insert the formula. Click on that cell to select it, then right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste your formula directly into Excel. Now, after you paste that formula in, take a moment to check if it's doing what you intended. You might need to adjust cell references depending on where your data is located within the spreadsheet. It's sometimes as simple as changing A1 to A2, for example, if your data starts from a different row. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps using ChatGPT, you'll be generating Excel formulas in no time. So to recap, go to ChatGPT, type your specific request, hit send, copy the formula provided, and then paste it into your Excel sheet. I hope this video helps you in your Excel endeavors. If you found this tutorial useful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.